Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to create our first test case by using our Cypress. Okay, in my previous video I explained about how to run our test case in Cypress by using a test runner and also the project structure, how it is presented and what are the things when we install a Cypress we are going to get. Okay, those things I explained into my previous video. Please go through that and come back here and you can able to understand how I'm going to write. Okay, in E2E, I'm going to create a new folder. That is 3 hyphen. I'm going to make it as a UI automation. It is the same name it presented like UI. Okay, in this folder, I'm going to create the selecting the folder and I'm clicking the first one, creating file. For create file, we need to follow one structure like now first demo dot a CY indicates for Cypress a dot JS. JS is indicate for JavaScript. Okay, because it is saying that we are working with the Cypress by using JavaScript. Okay, it is indication like that. Okay, once we open this one and you can able to take a sample example here to do one, or else we can able to directly write our own code. Okay, in the first you can able to see there are 3 slashes, a reference type as a Cypress. In the Cypress, it is by default it will indicate that like a IntelliJ purpose we can able to use it. Okay, 3 forward slash and we can able to use it here reference space type reference types can able to copy also. Okay, now after that we can able to now I'm saving, but till the date we are not run for Cypress, just we are creating our test case, but we are not running our test case. Okay, now once we're done we can able to create our description. Describe a describe is says that when if you know about for uh, test ng or j unit something. Okay, in that place we are creating for suit level, right? The suit level indicates that complete project structure we are going to create one suit and inside the suit we are going to create our test cases, right? The similar format here also describe is basically say that one suit, inside the suit we can able to create our test cases. Okay, and if you hit here you can able to see the mocho.suit it is presented. It is basically described, it is saying that this mocho will read your description, it will create as a suit. Inside the suit we can able to provide our test cases, test options and callback function calling. Okay, this is completely for a suit. Mocho it will treat as a suit. Okay, in here I'm going to mention for the suit level creation. Okay, and after that we are going to make it comma, and here we need to create our function call. We need to do it. Function call we can able to create by using, there are 2 different format in JavaScript. One is function braces and we are going to do like this. This is a one kind of function creation by using JavaScript, and another format is basically remove this function name and use the equal and greater the symbol, then you can able to create. This is also one kind of function. Okay, this is like a new version of function creation Normal function creation, it is indication of world format. Okay. Once we created a suit, now we need to create for test case. Inside that suit level, we can able to create n number of test cases. Not the first single one, we can able to create n number of one. Okay. And here I'm going to create for test case first. First test case creation, we need to use for it. It is say that a test function creation. If you equal, you can able to see here, it will provide the description. Specifies that specification or test case with a given title, test option, and we can able to create a callback function to use it. This mojo, it will treat as a test case. Okay, it will mojo, it will treat as a test case. For this test case, we need to mention title. Title I'm going to use for verify Google title. Okay, and also I'm going to creating for a function equal and greater than and curly braces. Now we are able to create our test case. Now we need to open any browser to verify our title. How we can able to do it means there is a method called cy. Cy is indicate for Cypress. Okay, a dot, and we can able to use method called visit. When you use for Selenium, we are going to use for driver dot get method to launch our URL, right? The similar format here also we are going to use for Cypress dot like cy dot a visit. And here we need to mention our browser, which browser you want to launch. Now I'm going to take for one URL, that is google.com. I'll take it. Just we're going to copy this one and I'm going to paste it. And we need to verify title of that. And how we can able to, here we can able to do for inspect element and see in this headers place, and title is a Google. The same name we can able to see here also. Okay, just I'm copying that title, and after that I'm going to use for Cypress dot a title is the method we have. We can able to see here title. Okay, and I'm going to mention, even you can able to mouse over, you can able to see this method chainable and option format. It is having for inbuilt of time format. Get that document dot title. Document dot title is says that JavaScript having a method called document dot title. It is default. It will calls the backend whenever the page it is open. It will get the title. Okay. Dot, and we need to verify whether it is equal or not. For that we need to use for should and braces. A single quotation we need to use for equal. Okay, equal is a method. We can able to take any kind of method, can able to use single quotation. It will gives for all the related methods what are the things you want, b dot called or anything, like you can able to check it here, all the methods it is presented. Even you can able to use eq or eql equal, anything you can able to use it. Okay, I'm going to use for eq comma, and again we are going to expecting for which one we need to verify, right? For that we need to going to use for one string that is called a Google. Okay, up to here we are done for, we visited for a Google and we are going to verifying the title of the page. Now we need to open for Cypress. Now for opening Cypress we need to use for npx space Cypress open. Once we hit, it will launch your Cypress one. Now you can able to see there is epic 3-UI, because our folder is 3-ui and inside that first demo.cy.js. If you hit this one, it will launch your program and it will verify that steps. It is launched your browser and it is verified. You can able to see assert expected Google and equals for Google. Okay, this is one kind of test case creation, and even we can able to create. Now here only we can able to search any kind of browser also. You can able to see here. Now eBuy is one e-commerce application and I'm just hitting this eBuy. Now even we are working in automation place only. We are not opening any other place. Okay. Now this is my URL. Even you can able to take this particular spam also. Okay. Now I'm going to open my command here. Still it is running. Okay. Now I'm going to enter one more time and again I'm going to create another test case. The title is eBuy and I'm going to create a function and enter, and again I'm going to use for cy dot a visit and I'm going to provide for URL of that. Okay, the title is it is presented very lengthy and we even you can able to check this particular like entire URL we need to take. And we need to inspect this first now and then we need to take the title of that. For finding title in this particular eBuy page, it is difficulty. Okay, then we'll search any other site. We can Cypress only will take. Okay, Cypress is basically this title is presented. We will take for Cypress URL. Okay, now we'll find our title of the Cypress. Where is title? All are metadata only. Yeah, this is my title. Okay, now again I'm going to verify that cy dot a title dot should, and we need to provide for eq comma, and again we are going to verifying our. Now I'm saving this one. Now again it is load. You can able to see here. Now Cypress also opened, and even you can able to see all additional steps. What are the things it is doing? Everything step by step you can able to see. The final it is verified or not for the assertion. Something it is getting some error, but it is open for Cypress. Right? There is a one kind of a verification about a Cypress. Okay, that multiple test cases we can able to create and we can able to do it. Okay, and based upon that we can able to run our test case also. Okay, this is all about for first case, test case creation. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.